The Prospera spinal cord stimulation system is designed so you may have an MRI with normal operating mode power settings anywhere on your body. The Prospera SCS system is approved for both 1.5 and 3 Tesla full-body MRI scanners. Before getting an MRI, your Prospera SCS system needs to be placed in MRI mode. To enable MRI mode, you must walk through the following steps with help from your healthcare provider or your Embrace One care team.
How may I help you?
Some help getting on the MRI.
To begin, you'll need to use the My Home Stream app found on your home screen. Check to ensure your stimulator is charged to at least 1 bar. Tap the 3-bar menu icon, then tap Settings. Tap MRI mode, then select Proceed. Stimulation is now off and you can begin your MRI.
Great. You're welcome. Bye.
And remember, when getting an MRI, always bring the charged patient programmer with you to the MRI facility. After your MRI, select the Disable button. Then select Proceed. You must then manually turn on stimulation by selecting the switch. For information and answers to questions about using your Prospera SCS system, visit biotronik.com/myprospera or reach out directly to your Embrace One care team.